Hello, and welcome. To start freelancing on Fiverr, you have to create a gig, so I am here with tutorial of how to make gig perfectly on Fiverr. Let's start. After logging in, click on Become a Seller, then a new page will open. Here you will write the title for your gig. If you don't know what title should you use, you can search other people's gigs on Fiverr, and if you want you can copy them. But be sure that the title is short, specific and well presenting your service. After filling your title, select the category and subcategory your gig belongs to. It may be shown in suggestions, otherwise you have to select from drop-down menu. In tags, you have to type the keywords by which buyer can search your gigs. If you don't know which tags should you use, you can search other people's tags on Fiverr here, but select the top seller, and you can just copy them. After that, gig metadata may be shown for some titles. Check the relevant ones. In scope and pricing, you have to give prices of your offering and other details. First we will set basic package, then we'll go to other two packages. Give the title here to your package, then in description describe what you will do in this offer, then select the delivery time. You can also select per hours rate from here if you want. Here are some more details for your offer. If your offer includes them, you can check them. After that, select the number of revisions and then price of your package. In Gig Extras, you can charge the buyer for some extra work. You can work for additional hours if you have selected per hour scope. We have selected the per day's delivery, so it will give error. In extra fast delivery, you can deliver the order in short time and charge more. But we had already selected 1 day, so we will use it for premium packages. In additional revisions, we can give more revisions to buyer and charge per revisions, as we had selected unlimited revisions, so we will first change it and then add additional revisions. You can add some more gig extras here by your own. Now we will try other two packages. In this you can offer the buyer more work with different rate related to this gig. All the things are same here. Now here we had selected 2 days delivery, so we can select the option of extra fast delivery. In description, describe the services of your offering, what you offer, why buyer should choose you, what are your work qualities. I had written already, I will just paste here. In frequently asked questions, you can ask the buyer some questions before placing the order. Here, you can ask the buyer to submit details before placing order to you. It may be answers to questions, PDF files or something else. In Gallery, you can upload pics which will show on your gig. Be sure the pic must have height of 550 and width of 370 pixels. You can upload up to 3 pics here. You can also upload video here, or any PDF file as portfolio. After submitting all the details, save them and click on Publish, and your gig will be published online. that was all for today's video. In next video, I will talk about how to write proposal properly to get order and submit it. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if you have any queries.